to jump out when I'm in my zone. I'm gone.
Alright y'all, so I just wanted to make this quick video. This is the fuel cap. That's how it looks like for your gasoline. Not too bad, right? So what I like to do when I get anything with locks, I get one of these right here, the 3-in-1 lock dry lube. Shake it up before you use it. Shout out to Chris Fix, he put me on this. All right, so this one has a lock right here. You see that? Be careful because it will be leaking on the other side. Take the keys that it comes with. Yeah. Okay y'all, so real quick I just want to show you guys, this is the old gas cap right here. Look how old and dry this looks, all yellow and stuff like that. I taped this part just in case I need it again and I don't want to lose this piece. So yeah, and here is the new one along with the keys. Brand new. As I showed you guys earlier, I got this lock dry lube sprayed into here just so it could have a smoother key insert. So on Amazon, I noticed that some of the reviews are kind of weird. I saw a video of a guy twisting it and it didn't even lock, supposedly. He was doing it wrong. When you buy these, they are pre-locked. I guess that's the right word. So basically when you buy these, they're already locked. And I guess he just put it in and he didn't know, and he was just like twisting it. He was like, oh, it doesn't work. But what you're supposed to do is take your gas cap, the key, unlock it first. Yeah, plug it into your gas tank and then you twist it. Then you're gonna hear a click. After when you're done, then you're gonna lock it, right? But when you lock it, you can't use one hand. You gotta hold on to this part right here. Then you lock it, okay? Once you lock that, it's still gonna move. It's gonna be like free, you know what I'm saying? But it's gonna be tight. It's not gonna go anywhere until you unlock it. This is just a little quick demo, but I'm gonna show you how it is on my Camaro. All right, let's take a walk over here. So the reason why I bought a new gas cap with a lock is because on these 5th gen Camaros, there's no lock to these, so anybody can just come in. So I had to get one with a lock so that nobody can steal my gas or put sugar into it. You feel me? If they start hating on you or something like that. I don't know why Chevys did this to the Camaros, but yeah, you just open it. Luckily it comes with 4 keys. I got one in the car. I'm not gonna carry it with me, my set of keys, because you know it might scratch the paint and stuff like that when you're like opening it, closing it and stuff like that. So I figured just leave it in the car, because then that's where you're gonna be most of the time anyways. When you go get gas, the key should be in your car, if that made any sense. I don't know, sorry, it's early morning right now. I just got off work. See that? It's on right now. It's locked, currently locked, but it can move freely, right? But it's locked into place until you take the key. Now you hold it, then you unlock it, and then it comes right off. Bada bing, bada boom. Check this out. You hear that? That means it's locked, but not fully locked until you get the key, get it in. See, I just dropped it right here. Almost scratched my paint. Now you hold on to the gas cap and then you lock it like so. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's not going nowhere. And no, it does not have a check engine light, which is dope, because a lot of comments or a lot of reviews on Amazon say that once they install this, they get like engine check light. But no, this one's pretty good. Close it and you're safe. All right, don't mind my slides. We are in the Camaro. Cool, right? Now.
Restrictions and important safety information.
I forgot. I got a kill switch on here. Let me just get it real quick. Start her up. Let me turn down the radio real quick. And there you go. As you can see, there's no check engine light at all. And that is a +1 for me. Ding! I will be driving it around and I will be letting you guys know if the check engine light do come on or not. So yeah, stay tuned for that as well. Okay guys, it's gonna be in this video as well. Yeah, so far so good. Now the next project is when I turn off my engine. Oh, normally my key gets stuck. I did do a lot of research on it, on why it gets stuck, because these type of model cars have a mechanism, like a lock mechanism on here. Basically, it's your shifter. So for some reason, your shifter's button has a delay. So it's basically telling your car, hey, you're not in park, so your key can't come out. So right now I'm gonna try to fix that up. That's gonna be in another video for that. But anyways, this video was supposed to be for the gas cap. That works. You could buy it on Amazon. It's a 2-pack. Comes with 2 gas caps and 4 keys to it. So you can use one for your car and then give one to like your significant other, a friend or family member, or whatever you want to do. Highly recommend it. If your car does not have a lock for it, like this one, don't even have a button anywhere to, you know, open the fuel tank. If you guys want it, I will be leaving the link down below. So go crazy, y'all. Protect your vehicles. Later. What up, gang? All right, so here we go. Actually got my beautiful girlfriend right here, taking the Camaro out for a spin around the block. And as you could tell, there is no check engine light, which is a good thing, which tells us that this product is a thumbs up. So yeah, if you guys are in the market of looking for one, I highly suggest these. Keep your car safe, away from thefts, away from haters. And you know, this gas cap works. All right, y'all, that's about it. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
My style, untouchable. When I'm in my zone, I'm gone. You're calm, but there's multiple.